कितें इशू जाल्लो
ना इश्यू काय ना सरकारान आमकां हेजेर भरपूर हेल्प केलो आहा तेन्ना देन डेप्युटी CM विजय सरदेसान इनिशिएटीव घेवन हें प्रोविजनल पास केलेलें एज ए हेरिटेज सायट म्हणून तेज्या उपरांत कार्मेलायटाची आमची माउंट कार्मेलायट चिंबेल कमिटी एक फॉर्म जालेली आहा तितून आमचे उपाव आहा चिंबेलचे तांणी फॉलो अप करून हांवें ते प्रपोजल फुडें व्हरून तेजेर फायनल NOC घेवन दीस सायट इज डिक्लेअर एज हेरिटेज सायट रायट नाव. आतां कितें जालां हेरिटेज जाल्ल्या कारणान हे सगळे वेबसायटीचेर गेलां आनी फॉरेनर्स जे आहा ते भायर सावन हिंगा ती पळोवपाक सोदता मात पळोवपाक सोदता जाल्यार भितर तांकां ऑफिशियली वाट ना गेट एक लॉक मारलेले आहा पयलेच मारलेले आहले ते आनी ते दुसरे वाटेंतल्यान भितर सोदता दॅट इज नॉट फेर दुसरे प्रॉपर्टींतल्यान ट्रेसपास जावन भितर सरप थिंगा सुण्या कोणाक घास मारी इट इज वेरी कोणा इट इज डेंजरस टू समवन हू एंटर्स हियर. So today we are gathered, I brought the director here for a request to open the gate, and the panchayat authorities will maintain opening and closing at a specific time only to come the foreigners whoever want to see this facade. एका लागून आमी डायरेक्टरान सांगला आपूण ही प्रपोजल आहा ती गव्हर्मेंटाक फॉरवर्ड करता म्हणून.
सर आनी आहा ते 60 years सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ गोवा लिबरेशन हातून स्कीम आहा तुमी हेजे प्रयत्न करतले की ह्या कसो
आमकां डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत गोंयच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगला तुजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कितें आहा तितलें ह्या वर्सा भितर तूं आपणाक प्रपोजल काडून दी. आय विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू हिज टावन लायन्स आनी आमी एक करून दिता म्हणून.
Introduce yourself.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. This is Brother John of the Carmelite, the tertiary Carmelite, and I am also doing PhD in Goa University on Carmelite history. So this place in Chimbel, this is a unique contribution of the village of the Chimbel, contribution of Goa to the world, because it was built in the year 1747 between 1750. This was completely composed of Goan priests, all of Goan origin, and during that time the Portuguese or the other people, they were the people who dominated clergy. But during that time, Chimbel Carmelites break the ice and added the Goan clergy to the missionary work. And the mission and this church, which was founded around between 1747 to 1750, existed till 1835, and they acted as missionaries all over the world, even to Timor, even to other parts of Karnataka. You can say even the first church in Pune was built by this Chimbel Carmelites. And the Chimbel Carmelites had such an influence on this Goan society that even Braganza, the freedom fighter from Chandar, he himself wanted to become a Chimbel Carmelite when he was of young age. And these Chimbel Carmelites have a very unique history of the whole church history in the whole world, because there were nowhere that the tertiary Carmelites lived a cloistered way of life. And these fathers were completely of cloistered Carmelites. And this is very much unique in the whole history of the church. Nowhere has done. Only in the soil of Chimbel it has been done, and this is the unique contribution of Chimbel to the whole world. Also, the architecture you find, it has got lot of Goan unique influence. There have been many architects who have studied that. So the whole thing is of very much important for Goan identity, Goan Goan diaspora. For everyone, this church has got a very great history, and the people who lived here, they lived a very saintly life. I mean, they went on missions to many other places. You see in North Karnataka and many other places, they were the people who planted the missions, and they did lot of very good works. And it was also a hospicio. Hospicio means a place of refuge for for medical purposes. Also during that time, the fathers were allotting themselves for this cause also. So this structure, which is of very much importance for Goa's history, Goa's whole history, as well as the whole history of the church, as well as whole history of India, should be preserved. And all its ruins should be preserved as much as possible, with with everything, because it's a very unique piece for the whole history. Also, after 1835, usually it is said that the Portuguese came and demolished many of the structures belonging to the other religions. But 1835, during that time, the religious suppression happened, and all the fathers were shifted out from here. During that time, the monastery in 1845 it was given to Recollementos. That Recollementos housed women, refuge women, and the women who lived a loose life but who wanted to live a perfect life. From 1841 and afterwards till 1940s and all, it was in the hands of Misericordia. And after that, the Portuguese government had instituted an organization called Provideria, and after that, it has been in its possessions ever since. But one thing what we need to see is that even though it was in the possession of Provideria or anything, the masses to Our Lady of Mount Carmel and Saint Anthony has been always celebrated and always been continued, because the Carmelites had planted that in this Goan soil, and it has always continued. So this place, which gave unique name for Chimbal in the whole history of the church, the whole history of India and whole history of Goa, should be preserved at any means. Thank you very much.